Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscription bell. And if you're not, thank you for coming back. So make sure you put a heart of any color to let me know that you guys are still here with your girl. So today I will be doing a pink look, real simple, real easy. So make sure you stay tuned. So I did my eyebrows off camera. Look at them. Yes, hunty. And now I'm going to prime my eyes. I always do my eyes first for some people. I don't know. I feel like eyes take the longest for me and everything else is pretty simple. So I'm going to do my eyes first. I'm priming them with L'Oreal. And then after that, I'm going to set them with Lux Pro Banana. Then I'm going in with Skip from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to be tapping it on the crease. I'm only going to be using this color all over my lid. So I'm going to go in, tap, get the desired color that I'm looking for, and then I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm going to prime my face with Professional from Benefit. And then I'm going to put on my foundation, which is 420 from Fenty Beauty. Now I'm going to highlight my face and I'm going in with L'Oreal 410 Almond under the eye area, on my forehead, and then on my upper lip and my chin. After that, I'm going to go in and start bronzing my face with LA Girl Beautiful Bronze. As you see, I'm putting it around my forehead, on underneath, and then underneath my chin. Now I'm gonna contour my nose, down the middle light and on the sides dark. Now I'm gonna bake with Lux Pro Banana and put it on all the places that I highlighted my face. Now I'm gonna go on with Revlon mascara. No lashes today, y'all. And now I'm gonna go in with the pen. I still need practice on the liner pen, so I'm gonna go in with that. So I had messed up, so you see I pick up a concealer brush just to try to fix where I had messed up. Now I'm gonna highlight my face. So I do not know the name of this highlight. I got it from May. Shout out to Maybe. And yes, look how it's on. It's so beautiful. And then after that, I'm gonna put on Fenty Gloss. I felt like my look wasn't done, so I went underneath with Skip just to complete the look. Time to set that face. I'm using NYX. One last time, I'm going to use the beauty blender and blend everything out to perfection. And that's my final look. I hope you like it. Please share, subscribe, and comment what other colors you would like to see or what other videos. Bye, guys.